This movie is called The Tricks Put on Goofy Movie.
One day, Pooter was over at Goofy's house, and they were laying in Goofy's bed watching TV. They were watching SpongeBob. And Pooter told Goofy, he said, "Goofy, I bet you can't jump up there and grab hold of that fan." And Goofy said,
"Oh, yeah, I can too. You watch me. You just watch me. I'll bounce up on the bed and I'll jump up there and grab it."
Goofy jumped up and grabbed hold of the fan and said,
"See, I told you I could do it."
He said, "Oh, Goofy, I wonder what this switch here does."
I don't think you need to pull that switch there, Pooter. I don't think you need to do that."
Pooter flipped the switch, and Goofy said,
Hey, Pooter, turn it off, turn it off. Hey, come over here. Turn that off, Pooter, turn that off, Pooter, turn that off.
"Oh, Pooter laughed and laughed and laughed. And Goofy was laying in the floor going,
"Oh, I told you not to pull that switch. I told you not to pull that switch."